If you need to change your name servers or edit DNS records in Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can update your domain settings without confusion. Whether you're connecting your domain to a website, pointing it to Cloudflare, or adding DNS records like A, CNAME, TXT, or MX, this guide will make it simple. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's start with changing your name servers. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, go to your domain list. This is where all of your registered domains are displayed. Find the domain you want to update, then click Manage next to it. That will open the domain settings page. Now scroll down until you see the Nameservers section. This is where you control which DNS provider manages your domain. You'll usually see a few options here, and the one you choose depends on what you're trying to do. If you want to use Namecheap's own DNS service, select Namecheap BasicDNS. If your domain is connected to Namecheap hosting, choose Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. And if you're using a third-party DNS service like Cloudflare, select Custom DNS. If you choose Custom DNS, you'll need to enter the name servers provided by your DNS or hosting provider. These are usually given to you inside your hosting dashboard or from the service you're connecting to. Make sure you type them exactly as provided, because even a small typo can prevent your domain from working properly. Once everything looks correct, click the green check mark to save your changes. After saving, remember that name server changes do not happen instantly. They need time to propagate across the internet. In some cases, this can happen within a few minutes, but it can also take several hours, and sometimes up to 24 to 48 hours. So if you don't see the change right away, that's completely normal. Now let's move on to adding DNS records. From the same domain settings area, open the Advanced DNS tab. This is where you manage host records and other advanced DNS settings. Scroll down until you reach the host records section. Here, you can add or edit the records that control things like website routing, email verification, and service connections. To add a new record, click Add New Record. Then, choose the record type you need. For example, an A record points your domain to an IP address. A CNAME record points one name to another. A TXT record is often used for verification or security settings, and an MX record is used for email routing. Choose the correct type based on the instructions from your hosting provider, email service, or platform you're connecting to. Next, fill in the required fields. You'll usually need to enter the host, the value or target, and the TTL. The host is the part of the domain the record applies to. The value or target is the destination you were given, and the TTL controls how long DNS information is cached before checking for updates again. If you're not sure what to use, follow the exact values provided by your service provider. Once you've entered everything, click the green check mark to save the record. After that, the DNS changes also need time to propagate. Just like name server changes, DNS records can take a little while to update everywhere. So if your website or email doesn't work immediately, give it some time and recheck later. And that's it. You now know how to change name servers and edit DNS records in Namecheap. These steps are essential for connecting your domain properly and keeping your online services running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.